In today's video, we're diving into the top 3 home workout apps for Android that are perfect for getting fit without stepping outside. Each app offers unique features to help you reach your fitness goals from the comfort of your home. Let's jump right in. Kettlebell Home Workout. Kettlebell Home Workout is designed for fitness enthusiasts looking to incorporate kettlebell exercises into their routines. The app provides a variety of workouts tailored to different fitness levels, from beginners to advanced users. It includes instructional videos and step-by-step guides for each exercise, ensuring proper form and technique. Users can customize their workout plans based on individual goals, such as strength building, fat loss, or endurance improvement. The app tracks progress and allows users to set workout reminders, making it a great tool for staying motivated at home. Dumbbell Home Workout. Dumbbell Home Workout focuses on exercises that utilize dumbbells, making it suitable for those who want to build strength and tone their muscles without needing a gym. The app offers a wide range of workouts that target various muscle groups with clear instructions and demonstrations for each movement. Users can choose from different workout plans based on their fitness objectives, whether it's muscle gain, weight loss, or overall fitness. The app also includes features for tracking workouts and progress, as well as customizable routines to fit personal schedules and preferences. Barbell Home Workout. Barbell Home Workout is ideal for individuals interested in strength training using barbells. This app provides a comprehensive library of exercises specifically designed for barbell workouts, catering to both beginners and advanced lifters. Users can access detailed descriptions and videos demonstrating proper techniques for each exercise. The app allows users to create personalized workout plans, offering flexibility in structuring their training sessions. Additionally, it includes tracking features to monitor weight lifted and workouts completed, helping users stay accountable and motivated as they progress toward their fitness goals. That concludes our overview of the best home workout apps for Android. Thanks for watching and keep pushing towards your fitness goals.